Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another unboxing of Beebeecraft products. Thank you Beebeecraft for reaching back out to me again and asking me if I would like to showcase your products. Now Beebeecraft is an online craft supplies. It does have other types of things in there too, but the bulk of their stuff is craft supplies, and I haven't had any problems with Beebeecraft. They have always sent the packages in a timely manner, always well packed in bubble wrap, and they've been so lovely to work with, easy to communicate with in our emails, and I haven't had any problems with any of the products as well. Awesome products. Beebeecraft, I'm pretty sure, still has their YouTube program where if you have 100 or more subscribers, you are eligible to do this same thing, showcasing their products. What they do is they give you an amount, you go into their website and choose products up to that amount, then you are asked to do an unboxing online and to make videos with some of the products that you have chosen. So when you get into Beebeecraft, make an account and go in and put your favorites into your love list, because that makes it super easy to go back and find all your favorites. And then yeah, you can check out all their awesome products at checkout. If you choose to check out, if you go through me, you get 10% off using this coupon code Valita10. And yeah, I hope you have lots of fun looking through Beebeecraft, because I always do. So let's have a look what they have sent me this time, and I will crack on with getting something done. Now this parcel came while I was away, so it's been sitting around at my daughter's. Now the first thing I see in here, look, see, it's always bubble wrapped and just beautiful. So here is some bookmarks. Now how can I get into that? Do I have to cut it? Maybe I have to cut this seal. Let's see. Oh look, I'm just gonna cut the thing open. I love getting little parcels from Beebeecraft. Now here is a pack of bookmarks. I'm not sure how many's in there. 1, 2, I'll have all the information in the description below for these products. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 10 of them. Aren't they beautiful? And these are gold ones. So what you do is you hook your little your beads and things off here and hook it into your book, and there's your bookmarks. So we'll have fun making something with them, with all the little beads that I've got. All right, so that was our first product. They don't feel over heavy, which I like. They're still quite light, because you don't want something too heavy in your book. Where's a book? Let's have a look at it. And you don't want something too thick in a book either. So yeah, that's perfect. And then your little dangle hangs off here. So there's them. And in the what do you call it? The subject of bookmarks, I got a pack of these. Now they're a tad twisted, but they'll lay flat. But it's a big, huge pack of these plastic, what do you call it? Plastic sleeves that you can add a tassel to and make bookmarks. So I'm keen to, there's a lot in there. Gosh, there's a lot. So I'm keen to have a go with that, because I want to put some of my laces and other things like that, and put them in a plastic sleeve so they stay nice and clean in that. So we might do like a bookmark and slip it down in there, but collage on it or something like that, and see how they turn out. So there's a big I can't remember, but in the description below it will say how many are in there. There's quite a few, so they will be fun to work with. I'll just put them there so you can see one of them. Alright, my next product is some sequins. Yeah, open these ones too. I love getting sequins from Beebeecraft because you'll always get a huge bag of them. Now these sequins, I'll just pour a few out on my hand. They're very tiny, but they are little. Let me put my glasses on. They're little snowflakes. Now I got these because I thought they would look awesome in the middle of a flower, but just awesome on their own too. Aren't they beautiful? They're little holographic style ones, and there's so many of them. I'm not sure how many grams. Oh, it says 50 grams. 50 grams of these little sequins, and they are stunning, absolutely stunning. So chuffed to get them and give them a go on some of my work. So yeah, I thought they would look awesome as like little stamens in the middle of flowers. But look how many you get. Just beautiful. So there's that product, and I think the last product is, if I remember rightly, I'll try and get it out of here, and that's great. They've put it, I'm glad they've packed it in cardboard, because this one, you want it in cardboard. This one is, oh yeah, here's the packet. Oh, I forgot about them. They've put the dies in cardboard too. This one is shrink plastic. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this. This one is shrink plastic. It doesn't say on there, but yeah, look, I'll have all the information below. I'm not sure how many sheets come in it, but I want to really I've been wanting to have a go with some shrink plastic for a while. Oh, okay, this is clear. I wonder, oh wow, it's not quite like some of the other stuff that I've had in the past, so this will be interesting to see how this works. Very interesting. So there's quite a few sheets in there, and yeah, there's no instructions in it, but I'll look up some instructions and see how that all works. So that's shrink plastic. And then there was a pack of dies. Let's see if I can get into these ones too. These ones are, I think they were bug dies, but it doesn't really say on the packet. But like I said, the information will be below. And oh, these are beautiful, aren't they? So you've got a bee and a beetle, a moth and a cicada, and a butterfly and a rhino beetle. It looks like, well, is that the rhino beetle? Two different beetles, a butterfly, a moth and a cicada. Aren't they gorgeous? So I'm really looking forward to see how they turn out. Right, so they are my products this time. Let's just recap them. There's a pack of metal bookmarks here. They feel really nice and strong too, and quite light, which is good. And this huge pack of beautiful sequins. The bookmarks, the clear bookmarks with the plastic sleeves, the shrink plastic, and these 6 gorgeous bug dies. Alright, so that's my product unboxing from Beebeecraft this time, and my next 2 videos will be me making things with these products. Okay, they mightn't be 2 videos in a row, but I will have 2 videos coming up that showcase these products. Alright, so thank you Beebeecraft for sending me these products to showcase for you, and I hope you enjoy watching what I make with these. Hop onto the Beebeecraft website, you will love their products. I love all their products, and like I said, I've never had a problem with Beebeecraft. All the links, all the products that you see here will be linked below in the description box. You can press on those links and go straight to that product, and when you press those links in my description, it goes through me to Beebeecraft, and it lets Beebeecraft know so that you've gone through me. And don't forget, if you choose any of these products or any of other products from Beebeecraft, you can use my coupon code Valita10 at checkout and get 10% off your products. So I hope you enjoy seeing that, and that you love looking in Beebeecraft. I love looking in Beebeecraft. And I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to doing some makes with these products. Okay, bye for now.